Hello, in this video you will see an example of rank and domain of a function with graphical representation to, know the domain
Función.
and rank.
At the up top, the función f dx equal x and 2
f
main
x
9 is
equal
given.
to
This a
of
quadratic
x.
function.
X
Whose rad is
minus
parabola with a vertex at 0,
x minus 5
minus 9.
equal
The
or
function takes
greater
values
than
and
0
by
in the
square
domain.
term and
We
root
will
9
pass
returns
the
an
5
interval
to the
of x.
other with
Definition of dominion
opposite.
and range. Dominion. This is the set and all x values that can be into function in the chase. In the Hilbert, that the function is defined for real numbers. Meaning is the dominion is the f dx equal menos infinito más infinito, which means there are no reactions on the values x can take. Range. This is of f dx values obligate has the result outlet the function is the number here the range of the function r the if equal main 9 infinito. Meaning that the f dx value will never be less than my 9 as that the medium value in the parabola. Interval notation. Last teacher is an interval notation for a dominion and range, using breaks and parents to define the boundaries of the vowels, which is a praise and stand way to express tension in the mathematics. Función es función, dominion, range, tab of vowels, quadratic function, real numbers, bracket, interrupt, out, y vowel. Función. At the up top, the function f dx equal x and 2 main 9 is given. This a quadratic function whose rad is parabola with a vertex at 0, minus 9. The function takes values and by square term, and root 9 returns an interval of x. Definition of dominion and range. Dominion. This is the set and all x balls that can be into function in the chase. In the Hilbert, that the function is defined for real numbers, meaning is the dominion is the f dx equal menos infinito más infinito, which means there are no reactions on the values x can take. Range. This is of f dx values obtained has the result outlet the function is the number here the range of the function r the if equal main 9 infinito. Meaning that the f dx value will never be less than main 9 as that the medium value in the parabola. Interval notation. Last teacher is an interval notation for a dominion and range, using breaks and parents to define the boundaries of the vowels, which is a praise and stand way to express tension in the mathematics. Función es función, dominion, range, tab of vowels, quadratic function, real numbers, bracket, interrupt, out, y vowel.
Next, example 2. We are going to have the domain and rank of the following f(x) function when it's 4x squared minus 4. To calculate this type of functions, we need to know what number is equal to 0. In the denominator, in this case, it's is 2 since it is 2 por 2 is equal to 4 and minus 2 por minus 2 behind negative equal things this equals 0. The same why because 2 squared gives 4 and minus 2 squared gives 4 when 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, to tabulation the following graph, we will use numbers from minus 5 to 5, substituting them in the x to see the values of each of the points in the graph and calculate for between the result that comes out in the denominator, so that from the point we can graph each to each of the points. In the same way, we can observe that in the case of 2 and minus 2, behind equal to 0 in the denominator part, they are going to be or asymptotes that in to say that these points do not touch each other in the graph. In this way, our graph will come out graphic each of the points. Let's that on will be like 4 divided by minus 5 squared minus 4 and so on in each of the result except for minus 2 and 2. In this case, the results were put on the graph, but it really gives a total of 0. The result of this example, this case of the domain, will be all the real numbers except 2 minus 2 from minus infinity to plus infinity, union of minus 2 to union to come plus infinite, and the range will be from minus infinity to plus infinity.
Example 3. If of x in the piecewise function when x less than or equal to 0, the function x cubica is used. When x is greater than 0, there does x minus 1 function is used. For the 2x minus 1, where we use the values for x for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and for x cubica we use 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. So substituting in the 2x minus 1 gives us impulses of 9, 8, 5, 3, and 1. And substituting and in x quadratic gives us the impulses of e 0, 1, 4, 8 y 6, 25. So as point to look at the form 2x minus 1, it gives us 5, 9, 4, 7, 3, 5, and 4, and 3, and 1, 1. And the points of x squared gave you 0, 0, minus 1, 1, minus 2, 4, minus 3, 9, menos 4, 16, menos 5, 25. His translation de English es After avoiding our bullets for x and y, the next step is pouring them means place the main is drag in isn't the bullets for x and with is what next. Once the point located we're going to on team, we have to get both the dominant and the range. Since the graph does not stop at any point in the domain, it is said that numbers are real, and the range of the function is the as minus 1 of the real number except less than minus 1, or from minus 1 to infinity.